In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the median in Excel. The median is the middle value in a set of numbers when they're arranged from smallest to largest. It's a great way to understand the center of your data, especially when a few extreme values could skew the average. Start by choosing where you want the result to appear. Click the empty cell where you want Excel to show the median. Picking a clear results cell keeps your worksheet tidy and makes it obvious what the number represents. If it helps, you can place a label in the cell to the left so you remember that this output is the median. Now, type the formula. In the selected cell, enter equals median, then an open parenthesis. It should look like this as you type Exclusion median. Next, select the range of numbers you want to summarize. You can click and drag to highlight the cells, or type the range directly, like A2, A21. If your numbers aren't all in one block, you can include multiple ranges separated by commas inside the same set of parentheses. Be careful not to include headers or text labels in your selection. Excel's median function ignores blank cells and text automatically, but it will include zeros, and dates are treated as numbers, which is usually what you want. When your selection looks right, add a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. Press Enter to calculate. Excel will instantly display the median of the numbers you selected. If your list has an odd count of values, it returns the single middle number. If there's an even count, it returns the average of the two middle numbers. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that your range includes only the cells you intended and doesn't accidentally span extra rows or columns. You can click back into the formula and adjust the selection if needed. A few quick tips as you use this. If your data updates over time, the median formula will automatically recalculate, so you always see the current middle value. If the number seems off, scan for cells stored as text. They're often marked with a small indicator in the corner. Converting those to real numbers ensures they're evaluated correctly. And if your range is large, naming the range first can make your formula easier to read. That's it. Click the cell, type median with your range inside parentheses, and press Enter for a clean, reliable snapshot of your data's center.